Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. With these tools, you're ready to dive into the repair process. Start by turning off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, remove the screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep track of them. After removing all screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. Once the panel is removed, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust or debris, especially around the memory slots. This will not only improve airflow but also protect sensitive components. Now, locate the memory slots. The Asus FA5060i usually has 2 slots for RAM. If you're upgrading, you'll want to remove the existing memory stick by gently pushing the clips on either side of the RAM module. It should pop up at a slight angle, allowing you to remove it easily. If you're installing new memory, take care to align the notch on the RAM stick with the slot. Press down firmly until the clips click back into place, securing the RAM. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can ensure your laptop gets the best care without any hassle. After securing the memory, double-check that everything is properly installed. You might consider running a quick test to ensure the new memory is recognized. If you prefer, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process even easier. No calls, no travel, just seamless service. Next, replace the bottom panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Use the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver to reinsert the screws, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened to prevent stripping. Once the screws are in place, turn the laptop back on. Check the system properties to confirm that the new memory is recognized. If everything looks good, you've successfully completed the upgrade. Before you finish, if you want a hassle-free experience with future repairs, remember that we always provide a quote before repair. This way, you can make informed decisions without any surprises. In summary, upgrading the memory of your Asus FA5060i is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during repairs. Happy upgrading! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.